Where's the other one?
Go get your other baby.
Get the other baby in. Got two babies.
Turn the light on behind me, Mom.
Okay.
What?
Babies.
Turn that light on. Good girl.
Take him for a walk.
She's like, which handle do I hold? Good job. She figured that out quick.
Alright.
Good girl, Sugar. Whoa.
I'm going places. I'm taking my babies and we're going.
Oh gosh, destined to have twins. Pretty dark.
I'm taking my babies.
Whoops.
See ya. Bye.
This is too cute.
Bye.
That is so cute.
Bye.
Okay, go down and video Little John with the seatbelt on there.
Okay. She's like, this one isn't quite as easy to maneuver as my single stroller.
Yeah.
I was trying to put it on the...
No, honey, let's not put it on the table. You want to take it outside? Take the babies for a walk outside? Come on, let's go take them for a walk outside. Come on, go follow Uncle Josh.
She's like, does your stop and look down like...
She's like, can we make it down there without killing the babies?
How are we going to do this? Let's see what she does. You want me to do it?
Aww.
Okay.
Aww.
She's like,
She doesn't want to let go of it. Look at
like, how's this gonna work? She's like, I'm not letting go of my babies. Crazy? See how strong she is. See if she can.
Here we go, that bed.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's funny.